Hello students. So far we discussed about gram atomic mass and 1 mole atom. You know, the mass of an element in gram equal to its atomic mass is called 1 gram atomic mass. And 1 mole atom means it contains Avogadro number of atoms. Today we will learn the relation between gram molecular mass and 1 mole molecule. Let's start. In free state, the elements and compounds exist as molecules. Consider hydrogen. It exists as H2. You know the atomic mass of hydrogen. And can you tell me the atomic mass of 2 hydrogen atom? Yes. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Oxygen. Its chemical formula is O2. There are 2 oxygen atoms and you know the mass of 1 oxygen atom. So what is the sum of 2 oxygen atoms? 32. In the case of water, it exists as a compound H2O. How many atoms are there? 3 atoms. So what is the sum? 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. That is 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. Now did you understand what do you mean by molecular mass? It is defined as the mass of a molecule, that is, sum of the atomic masses of elements. Now observe this table. Here the molecular mass of element or compound is given and its mass is expressed in gram. Did you see? Both mass in grams and molecular mass are equal. So we can say the mass in gram equal to the molecular mass of a substance is called 1 gram molecular mass of that substance or 1 GMM. Remember, if the mass in gram is equal to the molecular mass of a substance, then it is termed as 1 GMM. Now closely observe this table. What is the relation between the mass of elements and compounds and the number of molecules present in them? Children, did you see? For all mass in gram equal to its molecular mass is expressed as 1 GMM. And given 1 GMM of these elements or compounds contain Avogadro number of molecules. From this, what do you understand? 1 gram molecular mass of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. In short, we can say 1 GMM is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Let's see a problem related to this. 1 GMM oxygen is 32 gram oxygen. How many GMM are there in 64 gram oxygen? How many molecules are present in it? From this question, it is clear that 1 GMM oxygen is 32 gram. So can you tell me how many GMM will be present in 64 gram oxygen? Yes, 2 GMM. So what about the number of molecules? 2 into Avogadro number of molecule. And what about the number of GMM present in 96 gram oxygen? You know 1 GMM oxygen is equal to 32 gram. So 96 gram oxygen contain 3 GMM. How did you get this answer? By dividing the given mass with the gram molecular mass. So we can find the number of GMM by using the formula number of GMM equal given mass in gram divided by gram molecular mass. Let's see the relation between 1 GMM and 1 mole molecule. You know what is a mole? A mole is a unit used to denote the amount of substance containing Avogadro number of particles. And we know 1 GMM of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. So, can we say 1 GMM is equal to 1 mole equal Avogadro number of molecules? Yes, of course. Let's do a worksheet given in your textbook. A sample of 28 gram nitrogen molecule is given at the center. Let's calculate the number of GAM present in 28 gram nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and 1 GAM nitrogen is equal to 14 gram. So how many GAM is present in 28 gram nitrogen? 28 by 14 is equal to 2 GAM. As you know, the number of atoms present in 1 GAM is Avogadro number of atoms. Here, 2 GAM contain 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. As 2 GAM is present in the 28 gram nitrogen, we can calculate the number of moles present in this sample. We know 1 GAM contain Avogadro number of particles. That means 1 mole substance. Here 28 gram nitrogen contain 2 mole nitrogen atom. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule and the molecular mass of nitrogen will be 2 into 14 is equal to 28 gram. We know the mass of a substance equal to its molecular mass is called 1 GMM or 1 gram molecular mass of that substance. Molecular mass of nitrogen is 28. Therefore, 28 gram nitrogen is equal to 1 GMM. So, how many GMM will be present in the given sample of nitrogen? Yes, 28 by 28 is equal to 1 GMM. 1 GMM of any substance contain Avogadro number of molecule. If so, how many molecules will be present in the given sample of nitrogen? Yes, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. That is Avogadro number of molecules. The amount of substance containing Avogadro number of molecules are called 1 mole molecules. Then how many moles of molecule will present in 28 gram nitrogen? 1 mole nitrogen molecule. Let's review the portions that we learned today. First, we discussed about the molecular mass of a substance. It is defined as the mass of a molecule. It is got by adding the sum of atomic masses of constant elements present in a molecule. The mass in gram equal to the molecular mass of a substance is called 1 gram molecular mass of that substance or 1 GMM. Remember, 1 GMM of any substance contain Avogadro number of molecules. These Avogadro number of molecule present in a substance are called 1 mole molecule.